Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Dagi Hajar kipat ba klami syaga Jingialang pat ba hanong ba Imphal hagas ngiu Plea jong katayo ban pinrem hega jingjia kablaja kanyo tu uyayong haga ba arngut ki kena rit kelayap nakada go jungsya pin bethai bom haki yingsa jongki ya ba gile no klepin bethai haga por babro shiyeng kidang yo sia lengai kinoy ki kladawa bade ki bo bade pet kideban penchitom daga beting ya ki badan ketiban le ya ga kam bar kita waru beriban weng no yaki Central Reserve Police Force kibadan keti ban sindat kuli kipat ba haga por bagadan gajinga ki ban persha yaki nom pembethai bom ki Manipuri badan ha ki jalla ba pher la Pynlong ka Jingialang sngolam bar ban thang bom mati kum kadak ka jing sngolam yak long yeng ka bamat yak ni jing jab sngosi bar ban pendram jur hirunar ki blayap ka jinga tiplam bar ki baklam is na issue yaki khalong khanaru Shillong ru Pynlong ke Jingialang sngolam daga Shillong Manipuri Student Union Kamiglai Manipuri Welfare Society bar ki we par ki kunhon jong ki Manipuri badan Shillong
mayam tu kita makta ngamjaba kendal mayra amam tam kachhi aidana ikoi lai ra ba ikoi Shillong gi Manipur raj ba na sida akoi pullaga kendal amam kamina sena koi sinjal mangjabani akoi Shillong da hijara ba cho koi loina nusi bai chidi na nusi ba cha isu nusi ba ngatan here about our Manipuri crisis that time 5th or 6th April that time the Kuki militants they attacked by bomb and then accidentally the bomb blast and then our family members brother and sister the one who was that here they died suddenly and their mother is very seriously in ICU now hospitalized because of this accident only. Our Manipuri 2-3 people died now and they have their family members, their own children also, but then they are facing lots of problem and then now right now in Manipur situation is very bad and we feel so crying, we feel so sadness about that, about this case, and that's why we are just coming to all together here to offer some candle light our Manipuri people.
On behalf of the Manipuri Women's Association, Meghalaya Manipuri Welfare Society and Shillong Manipuri Student Union, we extend our deepest condolence to the grieving family, and no words can easily ease their pain, but we want them to know that they are not alone in this moment of sorrow, and we stand with them in solidarity. Our gathering today is not about politics or division, it's about humanity. It's about honoring the lives we have lost and sending a message that such tragedies should never happen again. We urge all communities to remain calm, to stand together, and to choose peace over conflict. Let this moment be a reminder that every life is precious and every voice should raise for peace.
Actually, Tuid Union is part of it. Shillong Manipuri Students Union and Manipuri Women's Meghalaya Manipuri Welfare Society and our Manipuri Women's Association. So Tuid Union were part of it, and we're organizing this candlelight parade. Recently, we were very shocked by this news of such an innocent lives taken, especially the 2 children lives that lost. We want to express that we stand with them in solidarity. We want them to know that they are not alone in this moment of sorrow, and we want to give our express our condolences to the family also. I want to say that let peace there be soon, and let's not choose violence over everything, because one life, every life matters, and violence will never be the answer of all of this. So I would like to from the government to restore peace as soon as possible.
Security kan mau lawan.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bered ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki wei ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki wei na ka benta ka koi ka khya chong ki pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jingshania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arachar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwe kam de ka ba e ba phinyo e ka license Pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscus.fssai.gov.in daga ba pihap pan upload ru ikot kisla badan kam kat kum gajat jingkam jong pi. Pila ru banyak kendo iki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang is khasihers pila ban letbet chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakrishnan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.